What if I told you that the most disruptive wearable of 2025 isn't made by Apple, or Samsung, but by Xiaomi? Yes, the same company that started with affordable smartphones is now shaking up the entire smart glasses industry, and the move they just made might go down as one of the smartest plays in tech history. Because while everyone else has been pushing heavy, overpriced, and half-baked glasses, Xiaomi quietly released something that's cheaper, lighter, and most importantly actually usable in your everyday life. And today, we're diving deep into why these glasses are a potential game-changer, how they compare to Meta's Ray-Ban stories, Apple's Vision Pro, and even upcoming AR headsets, and whether you should actually buy them or wait for what's coming next. This is Tech Byte, and here's everything you need to know. The strategy. Why Xiaomi is winning. Let's start with the big picture. When most people think of smart glasses, they picture one of two things: bulky AR headsets that look futuristic but are too impractical for daily user, overpriced fashion tech hybrids that cram in features nobody asked for. Meta's Ray-Ban glasses, for example, are stylish but limited. Apple's Vision Pro? Cool, but costs as much as a car payment for a year. Xiaomi's approach was different. Instead of asking, how do we make the flashiest product, they asked, what would regular people actually wear every single day? And that's why this release is so significant. Xiaomi didn't just make another "me too" gadget. They solved the three biggest problems holding back smart glasses: weight and comfort, battery life, practical features. You'll actually use it. That's the strategy, and it's brilliant. The camera system. Your life, hands-free now. Let's talk about the feature most people will care about: the camera. Xiaomi equipped these glasses with the 12-megapixel wide-angle lens capable of 2000 resolution video. But here's the smart design choice: they record in a 4:3 format. Why does that matter? Because from one recording, you can crop perfect 16:9 landscape videos for YouTube and 9:16 vertical clips for TikTok or Instagram. For content creators, vloggers, or even just people who want to share moments with friends, this is a massive time saver. And stabilization? Surprisingly solid. Walking shots look smooth, almost GoPro level at times. The only limitation comes with quick, jerky side-to-side movements, but even action cams struggle there. Controls are simple and natural. Tap once to snap a photo, hold to start recording. No fumbling for your phone. No missing the moment. Imagine cooking, driving, or traveling. You capture life exactly as you see it. And while yes, there's no AR overlay like Apple or Google tried in the past, that's the genius. Xiaomi focused on what works today, not what might work 10 years from now. AI and smart features. Power without the bullno. Here's where things get even more interesting. Most companies try to cram AI into the glasses themselves, which makes them hot, heavy, and drains the battery in hours. Xiaomi did the opposite. They made the glasses light and comfortable, while offloading AI processing to your smartphone. This gives you longer battery life, better performance, and more flexibility, since you're not locked to one ecosystem. So what can you actually do with them? Voice commands through Xiaomi's Hyperos Assistant Chat integration. When paired with your phone, a visual recognition. Point the glasses at an object, and they'll snap a photo, analyze it, and tell you what it is. Live translation though right now, it's faster in Chinese than English. And here's where I see the real potential: accessibility. For visually impaired users, imagine walking around, asking, "What's in front of me?" and the glasses respond in real time. That's not just cool, that's life-changing. The AI isn't perfect yet, but you can see where this is heading. A world where your glasses aren't just a camera, they're your personal assistant. Comfort and design. Finally, glasses you can wear all day. Let's be real, nobody wants to wear a computer on their face if it feels like a brick. This is where Xiaomi destroyed the competition. The standard version weighs just 40 grams. Even with prescription lenses, it's only 54 grams. For context, Meta's Ray-Ban Smart Glasses? Around 50 grams. Apple's Vision Pro? Over 600 grams. Not even close. The design is minimal, modern, and comes in both classic black and semi-transparent frames that subtly reveal the tech inside. And importantly, the nose bridge doesn't crush your face after hours of use. If you've ever worn heavy AR glasses, you know how painful that can be. With Xiaomi's pair, you actually forget you're wearing them. And that's the entire point of wearables. Audio system. Open ear done right instead of isolating you with earbuds. These glasses use open ear speakers similar to bone conduction tech. That means you can listen to music, take call, talk to AI, all while staying aware of traffic, conversations, and your surroundings. Some users even preferred these over AirPods Pro for daily use. Why? Because they're safer, more natural, and don't block you from the outside world. And for voice input, the 5-microphone array picks up speech clearly even in noisy environments. This is where the glasses start feeling less like a gimmick and more like a natural extension of your daily life. Battery life, smarter than you think. Here's another area where Xiaomi made smart choices. Around 8 hours of mixed use, around 40-45 minutes of continuous 2000 video recording for glasses this light. That's impressive. And they thought about real-world use too. The charging cable has an angled connector so you can charge them while wearing them. Plug in a small power bank in your pocket, and suddenly, you've got unlimited recording time. Oh, and the electrochromic version. One button, and your clear lenses instantly turn into tinted sunglasses with 4 adjustable levels. That's the kind of sci-fi convenience that makes these glasses feel like they belong in 2025. Limitations. Where Xiaomi still has work to do, of course. These aren't perfect. Let's be honest about the weak spots. AI features are strongest in Chinese. English support is improving, but not flawless. Live translation has noticeable lag, especially with longer Fresno AR displays. These are camera plus audio glasses, not full AR headsets. Software updates are still catching up, since this is Xiaomi's first-gen release. But here's the thing, these are trade-offs Xiaomi chose to make. They didn't over-promise. Instead, they focused on nailing the fundamentals. Pricing. The killer move. Now, let's get to the number that shocked everyone. Standard version, around 280. Electrochromic sunglasses version, slightly higher, but still under premium competitor Xiaomi that to Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses at nearly 400 or Apple's Vision Pro at 3,500, and suddenly, you see the brilliance. Xiaomi isn't just making smart glasses, they're democratizing them. This is how you win markets. By making futuristic tech accessible to the masses. Who should buy these? So are these for you? Let's break it down. Buy if you want a hands-free camera for daily life or content creation. Lightweight glasses you can wear all day. Safer, more natural audio than earbuds. Entry-level AI features without breaking the bank. Skip if you need advanced AR overlays, flawless instant translation, luxury build materials, or fashion-first design. If you fit the first group, these glasses are a no-brainer. The bigger picture. Why this matters. Let's zoom out for a second. In 2013, Google Glass promised the future, but failed because it was too early, too expensive, and too weird looking. In 2025, Apple and Meta are still trying to figure out how to make AR and mixed reality practical. And now Xiaomi comes in with a product that isn't trying to do everything. It's affordable, practical, and wearable. 3 things the market has been missing for over a decade. This isn't just about one pair of glasses. It's about who wins the wearable wars of the next 5 years. And if Xiaomi plays their cards right, they might just leapfrog some of the biggest names in tech. The Xiaomi AI glasses aren't perfect, but they are smart, affordable, and practical. They're the first smart glasses that feel less like a prototype and more like a real consumer product. So the question isn't, should you buy them? It's, how soon until everyone else copies them? Because make no mistake, the smart glasses revolution has officially begun. And if you want to see how Xiaomi stacks up against Apple, Meta, and the upcoming Samsung XR glasses, stay tuned because our next video breaks down the top 5 smart glasses of 2025 right here on Tech Byte.